right now it is our first morning in Liwa, Zambales, and we're staying at Kapitan's beach surf resort. It's pretty cool, except...
Morning!
Oh, good morning, Ate. This is a sweet Ate that helps us with our breakfast. Say hello po.
Hello!
Brewed coffee po.
Yeah!
Excellent. This is our first time in San
Welcome.
Felipe, Zambales. Usually I go to Zambales. I've been here a few times, but I've usually always stayed in San Narciso. If you're familiar, it has Crystal Beach, and that's where we normally stay. Then when Angie wanted to come to Zambales, I was thinking we're supposed to be going places we've never been, but I've been to San Narciso so many times, so I decided why not somewhere else. And apparently Zambales is huge, and it's not just San Narciso and Crystal Beach. There's so much more, and we're about to explore this place. We're gonna do some waterfall exploring. Yes, we're gonna be chasing waterfalls. So see you later.
Show us what you got. The background so beautiful. I can do more. Just kidding, I can't even do one. Hello. Hello. The tricycle to the waterfalls and back, and a tour guide is 200 pesos per person, right? So it's 400 for us.
Yes. Huh?
And then
Oh, 30
entrance fee is
pesos.
30 pesos.
It's not a very comfortable ride if you're more than 6 foot tall. And I'm exactly 6 foot tall, so you can see I have extra room in this tricycle.
Okay, we're here, kinda. And we have to hike. Hi, doggy. Morning. They're so big. Adventure time. Water from the waterfall. Ooh, it's strong. That's too fast. It's beautiful. I guess we're here. It's called Lubong-Nangoloan Falls. The steps are bigger than my height. Just kidding.
You're gonna need 2 hands, or at least 1 hand that's free.
I am very talented. Or not.
Real quick pose, like 2 seconds.
So today we went to the waterfalls, as you can see. It was fun, super. My second time in the waterfall, but Tumalog, yeah, in Cebu didn't have as much, what do you call this, stream? Like it was really strong. You can barely get to the. We're gonna take the puppies to the beach. We're not taking Lucifer, the cat, because I don't know. As I'm just waiting for the load. You guys can share your favorite getaway from Manila if you're in Manila. Like the closest. What? Okay. In the comments. Peace, you caught it?
Yes.
Did you catch it? Good job. This is the way to the beach. Ooh, our tour guide, since I think Danny got curious why there are so many pine trees, the tour guide told us that, I don't know when, before, like hundreds of years ago, because of the heavy rains, the seeds from those trees from the mountains came all the way down here. That's it. I always like those walls and houses with ivy grown all over.
So, happy afternoon, welcome back. We're here. We're done with our waterfall today. It's still the same day, and we decided to go ahead and take the little mutts on a beach lounging. What do we call it? Sure. Let's go.
Gentlemen. Come on, dude. Get the dude.
Let's go, Dudio. That's the face of a mother protecting her child.
Yes. I think I'll be a crazy mom.
Yeah.
Grilled tuna. This is our dinner. We asked people at the store to grill it for us. How much was it?
140.
140 pesos for the whole fish. And then rice is coming. What's this?
Kinilaw.
Kinilaw is coming.
It's like ceviche, Filipino style.
So like, I don't know what ceviche is. So it's pretty much raw fish in
Marinated in vinegar. Basically
vinegar.
cooked in vinegar.
And salted egg and tomatoes. I like it. And toyo mansi, my favorite sauce. It is soy sauce, some chilies, and some calamansi, which is Filipino, like tiny lime-looking citrus thingy. It doesn't taste like lime though.
Maybe this is a Zambales way of making
Maybe.
Kinilaw. If anybody is from Zambales,
Let
can you
us know.
please check this out and let us know if this is this is how you make Kinilaw here in Zambales, or if this is some weird one that.
This is tuna, raw tuna. Kinilaw.
Filipino ceviche.
Again, no idea what ceviche is. You keep telling that and I'm like, still don't know what it is.
It's really popular. Mexican Spanish dish. Basically raw fish, shrimps that they cook in citrus.
Pretty good. But the grilled tuna is bomb. Love it.
She loves it so much she ate the eyes.
I didn't. That wasn't me. Bomb. It is rainy season and it's cool. Like you can do stuff in the morning and then nap and then just chill and eat some food and I don't know, just stay home or like make friends and chill with friends because it's raining in the evening or like late afternoon. You can still do stuff in the rainy season. Just have to do it in the morning. How did you like today?
I had fun. Even though you were a bit sour in the morning.
What was I sour?
She was a bit sad.
Hmm?
You were just a bit sad.
In the morning? No, I was sad yesterday.
And while we were walking.
I wasn't sad.
Oh, okay.
It's my resting bitch face. Resting sad face.
Like you were taking a while walking to the waterfall, so I thought you were just
I was
not
enjoying.
having fun.
No, I was enjoying. Exactly. I was feeling the ground under my feet because I like it.
Oh,
I
were
like
you barefoot from the beginning?
Yeah. Well, not the whole way, but I like feeling sand and stones and I was
Balls.
taking balls.
Sorry.
Stones and balls may break your bones.
Bulls.